Hi everybody, this is just an update on my car. As for what I've done right now, this motor is ready to actually come out. Quick video here, just checking out the garage, checking out my progress, what I need to actually get done. I got a lot of stuff to do. As for the motor itself, I was thinking about doing the head, but then I'm like, nah, forget it. So I'm gonna put everything back to stock, get new valves, get new seals. I'm doing actually the seals right now, and I'm not too sure about the valves. They look pretty good. None of them were bent. So we're gonna take it from there, and then let me see. I'm thinking of doing I don't know if I should spray paint it. It might be something I might do. I think just stock aluminum would be nice, but I don't know yet. So I'm gonna keep on making some short videos, putting them together, and then after that I'm gonna actually put the video together, and then you guys are gonna see what's going on.
So when installing the CpCarrillo piston and the Eagle head rods, I used the ARP tool. Made it so much easier to get it in there. Man, it looks so beautiful right there. I had to actually take a picture of this. The block itself was black originally, so I ended up painting it white. I saw it on a video. One guy actually had a reason for it. Just basically see the oil, any location it would actually pour out of or leak, it will be easier to actually spot. I took that idea and I ran with it, so that's why you're gonna see a white block.
As for what I've done right now, this motor is ready to actually come out. This is the old L28 non-turbo, which is I think I like it a lot more than the turbo version, less problems. As for the harness itself, it's right there. I moved it off to the side. Everything was just nice and easy. Click in and click off. The only thing I left still connected is the fuel lines leading from the fuel filter and back to the fuel pump there. So I don't know what I'm gonna paint the inside color yet. I really want to get rid of all this red because I was thinking of doing the valve covers red. So if I do red with red, it's not gonna look great. Car's still sitting in great shape. Can't wait until it's put together. My head's right here, the block's back there. The head, right now I'm actually just doing the valve seals using the stock valves until I get the money to upgrade. That'll be in the future, no rush. I spray painted the valve covers. Show some pictures of that. Right now this is actually going to be just primer that's on there. Alright, that is my update.
If you guys are still watching, thank you so much. I just wanted to share some pictures here with you guys. My valve covers, still not sure what color to paint them. I'm still thinking red. As for when working on the head itself, the valves it got to a point that I started getting upset because I didn't get the right tool. But then it hit me. I could use a drum brake spring compressor, and everything else just came out smoothly. I was able to get them all done, put new seals on the head. And just again, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and have fun out there.